Intimate Care for Women, Natural Remedies Series. Hey ladies and young women, your private parts aren't just shy, they're sensitive too. That's why giving them the right care is key to feeling fresh, clean, and confident every day. Let's discover the recipes. 1. Boiled mallow douche. Mallow, Malva sylvestris. Benefits: soothing, anti-inflammatory, relieves itching and irritation. Recipe: 1 handful dried mallow leaves, flowers, 1 liter water. Instructions: boil water. Add mallow and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool. Strain, and use as a vaginal douche once daily for up to 5 days. 2. Chamomile flower douche and tea. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Benefits: antiseptic, calming, antifungal. Recipe: 2 tablespoons dried chamomile flowers, 1 liter water. Instructions: boil chamomile in water for 10 minutes. Let it cool, strain, and grind if possible. Use as a vaginal douche. Drink 1/2 cup of the infusion twice daily for internal support. 3. Oak bark douche and drink oak bark, Quercus spp. Benefits: astringent, antibacterial, strengthens vaginal tissue. Recipe: 2 tablespoons ground oak bark, 1 liter water. Instructions: boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Cool and strain. Use as a vaginal rinse once daily for up to 7 days. Drink 1/2 cup once daily. 4. Yarrow leaf emulsion and juice. Herb, yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Benefits: antimicrobial, balances hormones, supports healing. Emulsion recipe: 1 tablespoon ground yarrow leaves, 1 cup hot water. Instructions: steep for 15 minutes. Strain and drink 1 cup twice daily. Fresh juice method: crush fresh yarrow leaves. Extract juice. Apply to outer vaginal area with clean cloth. Warning: safety notes. Consult a gynecologist before starting treatments. Clean all tools before use. Avoid during pregnancy unless approved. Don't overuse douches, 2 to 3 times weekly max. Discontinue if irritation worsens. Thanks for watching. These herbal remedies have been used for generations. Share your experience in the comments and subscribe for more wellness tips.